a lawyer? We don't know, but apparently we are not, and we have built a platform that's called Kacheri Draft. It's an AI legal tech platform helping lawyers and legal firms in managing their cases with using tools of ours like Smart Editor. We've got the dashboard, we've got the Smart Calendar helping you to manage and keep a track of your clients. We've also got the KD Research Assistant helping you in managing your research process, and above all of this, we've got the template library having around 10,000 plus templates. Now, when we were researching, we realized that the Indian legal framework is very scattered. There are a lot of workflows, the regulations are changing every next day, and apparently there's a lot of paperwork leading to a lot of errors, and because of this, lots of hours are lost in the manual work, and we are trying to fix exactly that. So, you might have heard about Swiggy and Zomato, but you didn't know of these brands in 2010 and 2014, but these were the years that these brands were ideated, and we have tapped into a market exactly that, legal tech, and we are for sure about legal tech is the market that is going to boom in the next 5 to 10 years.
Amazing, Kirti. So now let's understand the international market. So international market is of $8 billion and it is growing with the 15.2% CAGR. And to understand this, US is the market that is leading this industry, followed by India. Now, to get the solution that the problem that we are facing in the industry, there has been variety of companies that have revolved around, but our solution is something different. So now let's deep dive into why we are different.
Okay, so what makes us different is that after 2021, 991 legal tech startups emerged in India, but none of them were focused on solving the efficiency and time that the lawyer takes to make his workflow automate. We are building a legal hybrid architecture that serves offline and online and accessible to areas that are without internet. So we try to provide a compact structure with case management, legal drafting, case research and client management all in a single pack. We didn't started with a focus on legal tech tools, but we started with Kacheri Diaries with vision #Kanun Samjhega India, working on legal awareness and women empowerment all across India. We organized various campaigns and educated women, children and people about their legal rights and how it is important for their everyday life cycle. With this, we are trying to cover SDG 4, SDG 10, SDG 16.
So ending with this note, #Kanun
Kanun
Samjhega
Samjhega
India.
India.